A recipe from Fantastic and Fun Funeral Food for Family and Friends by Comfort and Florentine Snowburger. How to make sweet iced tea. For heaven's sake, don't use instant tea, whatever you do. Make real tea, sweet tea. It's the southern way. Here's how. Put 2 cups of water into a stainless steel pot. Cover. Bring water to a good roiling boil. When the water is boiling, remove the pot from the heat and add it to 4 regular-sized tea bags. Use red rose or Louisiana tea, accept no substitutes. Let the tea bags steep in the hot water for 10 minutes, not 8, not 12, 10. Get out your grandmother's beautiful etched glass pitcher and fill it half full with water. Add 1 cup of sugar to this water. Yes, you must measure. And stir the sugar into the water with a wooden spoon until the water looks clear again, like magic. If your name is Comfort Snowburger, you will stir until you think your arm will fall off. By this time, the hot tea in the pot has finished steeping. Remove the tea bags and pour this tea from the pot into the pitcher. Stir again. Pour this tea over glasses that have been filled to the brim with ice. Add a mint leaf from your garden to each glass. Pass a plate of lemon slices. Sip in a ladylike or gentlemanly way. Never guzzle sweet tea.